was the subject of the approved motion yesterday, and again, the subject, which was the subject of the approved motion yesterday, which is an offshoot of a question of privilege, which takes precedence over all motions. So I restate my motion, Mr. President, to momentarily suspend any action, whether interpellation or seconding speech, on the privileged speech of the good gentleman from Davao, para sa wakas, biglang daan yung inaprubahan natin motion kahapon na manumpa po kami. I have the floor, Mr. President. I have the floor, Mr. President, to make way for taking of the oath before the presiding officer.
The point of order takes precedence.